Be laughing at it today, but it doesn't mean that tomorrow you will not be fine. Tomorrow you will be fine and even more than those people that are laughing at you. So your story today will not be that story tomorrow. So watch out and be serious. And those who are laughing at you, they will be those people that will be rejoicing with you. Hey, people that are looking at you today, hey, what did this one they do? What is she doing like that? Why is she showing her face like that? Why is she doing like that? Why is she dressed like that? My people, tomorrow you will see those people. Now they very them. They will kind of rejoice with you. And some people will even say, well, teach me, teach me how you do them. Show me the way. Show me how you do them. My people, it's a testimony that will come at the end of your joyful moment. So keep on doing what you're doing, because at the end of this your joyful moment, people will celebrate with you and people will come beside you. People will be even want to even sleep in your house, because they need that same thing that gave you joy, that same thing that is giving you happiness, that same thing that changed your life, that same thing that is making you to be happy every day, that same thing that changed your wardrobe, that same thing that changed your entire family life. So my wonderful people, today you are not smiling, it doesn't mean tomorrow you will not smile. So anything people are talking, close your ear, block them, just they do what you do. If you know say that thing your mind tell you say make you just do it, not be bad things. So do better thing where tomorrow it go fit you money, it go be like some investment for tomorrow. If you never be house today, make you no talk say you no go bill am. If you never invest today, make you no say you no go invest. So but always support other people for this their future investment. Your situation today doesn't matter, because tomorrow there is another new situation that will come your way, and this one you will be smiling. You smile more than ever. So anybody that is mocking at you, saying behind your back, talking beside you, mocking anything you do, is not placing them. Anything you make is not, they are not watching it. Anything you're dropping on your videos, they don't even care. They don't watch it. Your family, your friends, your sister, your passerby, don't bother. There are people out there watching us, watching me. Anything I drop, they must watch, because they know that they believe in me. They see the real me. They see what I'm doing. They see as I'm struggling. So you that you're also struggling to build yourself, create some values, show people how to make money, show people how to become a big business person, teach them how to know what they are doing, their direction, how to start, how to wake up from their sleep. Tomorrow, God will not forget you. You see that thing that you're doing? Keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. If you're doing bad business, don't be discouraged. Only know how to change the strategy, because everybody that is doing business face the same music. Sometimes you face difficulties. Sometimes you face hardship. Sometimes you have money, but there is no physical catch, but there is a catch in your business. So don't be reluctant in your business. Keep on pushing while you wait for that